Horses out, we have Lord of War, pass to begin, Sugar Glaze in the middle, Danori inside, Gran Torino, Midnight Meat, Seeds of Wisdom, and Mr. Universe is the early trailer. We have Lord of War, the leader, by Oralenka, Seeds of Wisdom now in second, 3 lengths away in third, Sugar Glaze, Mr. Universe is on the outside fourth, then comes Gran Torino, and Midnight Meat is the early trailer. That's the Lord of War by about 2.5 lengths. Seeds of Wisdom still in second. Mr. Universe in third. Sugar Glaze. Moving up Danori inside now to take fourth is Gran Torino and Midnight Meat. That's the Lord of War this time by about 3 lengths. Seeds of Wisdom still in second. Mr. Universe in third. Then here comes Gran Torino. Now coming closer in fourth. Sugar Glaze and Midnight Meat. That's the Lord of War by Oralenga. And on the outside second is Seeds of Wisdom, Gran Torino. Now moving up to take third. Mr. Universe tries back in fourth. We have a Lord of War by about 3 lengths. Seeds of Wisdom, Gran Torino. Now moving up by Drell to take second. Lord of War this time by about 6 lengths. Gran Torino now moving up to take second. And in third, Seeds of Wisdom, last 50 meters. We have Lord of War, and finally Lord of War second, Gran Torino. Then comes Seeds of Wisdom, Sugar Glaze, Midnight Meat, and Mr. Universe.